Welcome to my channel. So what I have right here, I have 10 chicken thighs. I done let them soak in some apple cider vinegar, lemon juice for like 30 minutes. Rinsed it real good, pat it dry. You know what I mean? Get all that stuff that don't belong on there. You know what I'm talking about? Making it happen so your boy can make a nice meal out of this good chicken thighs. You hear me? So right now, I done pat it dry, all that good stuff. So right now we're gonna go ahead and season this bad boy. First thing I'm gonna start off with some soy sauce. Boom. You know what I mean? Pour it right here in the middle of the chicken. We just want to get the chicken a nice little seasoning. You know what I mean? Okay, that's the soy sauce right there. I also have some extra virgin olive oil. Well, we'll hit that with some extra virgin olive oil. You gotta remember, it's 10 pieces of chicken thighs. And you know, we want to make sure we coat every part of the chicken. You know what I mean? Every part. Okay, so you have that going on right there. Alright, so what I have right here is rosemary. So we're gonna take a couple of these pieces of rosemary. Boom, break it up. You know what I mean? Break it up just like that. Okay, so that's that right there. We have some black pepper. So we go ahead and put some of this black pepper on the top. Boom. I don't too much cook with black pepper, but my wife loved it. You know what I mean? She loved black pepper. I have some garlic powder. Boom. Put some of that in the top. Oh, okay. I have some dry thymes right here. Some of that in the top. Oh, that's a little too much right there. So we just gonna go ahead and just give it a cold little sprinkle. You hear me? That's it right there. Okay, so I have some onion powder right here. Go ahead and open it up. Some onion powder. Put everything right there in the middle. Boom. Okay. I also have some Italian seasoning. Boom. You know what I mean? Put some of that in the top. I ain't gonna lie to you, I love Italian seasoning. For real, for real. I have some chopped chives right here. Whoa. Not too much of it. Just a little sprinkle. You know what I mean? Whoa. I ain't gonna do no paprika. I was gonna do some paprika, but I got out of change of mind. And I also have some Kinder's seasoning, woodfire, garlic. Boom. Get that in the top. A little more of that. Boom. Hit dice. So that's it right there. You know what I mean? For the chicken. So what I'm gonna do now, Go ahead and mix everything together. You know what I mean? Just give it a cool mix. You know what I'm talking about? Just mix everything together. Nice and cold. Yes, sir. Look at that. So every piece of chicken have its own little coat on there. It'll have a nice flavor. You know, cutting down on the seasoning. I love my seasoning, but you know what I mean. Your boy got to cut down on it, and you know, I have other family members, you know, that's watching my videos, so. So this is what we're gonna do, you know. Make sure you pull that skin back. Get every piece of that meat. Put that skin back on there. You know what I mean? Straighten it out. Boom. So now, I have my pan right here. So I have my oven on 400. We're going to put it in there for 45 minutes. So we're going to do skin side down. You know what I mean? So first 45 minutes, skin side down. Just like that, straighten that skin up. Just put it down there. You know what I mean? And we ain't gonna put no top on there. We just gonna let it do its thing without the top on there. Okay. You want that skin to be touching the bottom of your pan, so it can give it a nice bake, and you know what I mean, make that top a cool color to it. You know what I mean? So that's how we looking right there. So I'm finna throw this in the oven for 45 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go right here, skin side down. It had made a lot of juice to it, so I drained some of the juice out. Let's see. So that's good 45 minutes. Skin side down. And bring it a little close. Close. You know what I mean? Look at that there. Hold on, I'm turning on my light real quick. There we go. You know what I mean? Skin side down. Boom. So now what we're supposed to do now, go ahead and turn this bad boy over. Just like that there. Yes, sir. That's that good baked chicken right here. You know, your boy is in his good kitchen, making it happen. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do the other side. Like I say, a good. I'm gonna turn my timer on for another 30 minutes. So we're gonna do the other side for 30 minutes. I'm finna drain out this little juice that have in there. I still have a little bit of juice in there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave that little tiny bit of juice. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that tiny bit of juice. So I'm gonna leave it in there for 30 minutes, and your boy be back. Yes, sir. So that's what you call some nice, juicy baked chicken. You know what I mean? Your boy is in here making it happen, right here in my good kitchen. You know, the first the skin side down, 45 minutes, 20 minutes for the other side. And that's how we looking. You know what I mean? Some nice, juicy baked chicken. So now, I'm going to do now, put this to the side. Go ahead, bring you up some. Now it's time to season. Season our rice. Come on, man. Turn this rice on. Let it do its thizzle. So first, we're gonna hit it with some of this thyme leaf. This regular white rice right here. Already, you know what I mean, rinsed it real good. Thyme leaf, you know what I mean. Some garlic powder. Some good garlic powder. You know, we're gonna have some nice seasoned rice. A little more garlic powder. Some onion powder. A little more onion powder. Some parsley, dry parsley. Yes, sir. Some paprika for the color. Another cool shot of that paprika. Some chopped chives. You know, put the rest of them in there. Boom. You know, there we go right there. Some chopped chives, you know what I mean? Some chicken flavor. Booyah. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. And we're gonna put some butter in there. Some butter. Okay. So we're putting this, the rest of this cube of butter, the stick of butter. The rest of it, boom. You know what I mean? And that's how we doing it. Oh yeah, I can't forget my Italian seasoning. Where's my Italian seasoning? You know, I got to put my Italian seasoning in there. Got to. They say never leave home without it. Boom. So this is it right here. You know what I mean? for the seasoning rice. We're gonna make the rice look a little dirty. You hear me? A little dirty around this joint. But it's gonna be tasty though. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this do a stizzle. And once everything's said and done, I'll be back. Yes, sir. So here your boy go right here. You know what I mean? Made it happen in my good kitchen. A whole lot of love coming out this kitchen. You hear me? Got that good baked chicken, thighs, vegetables, and some of my, you know what I mean, homemade dirty rice. You know what I'm talking about? Your boy is in here making it happen. For real, for real. I say all gas, no brakes. You hear me? Yeah, I'm loving this. You know, your boy step in, show up and show out. Like I always do. I ain't gonna put a 10 on the tube, but it's all on the video. You hear me? That's how I do it. Man. You know, look at them vegetables over there. Can't leave home without it. Not at all. And I want to give a shout out to all my good subscribers, all my new subscribers, my subscribers that been there supporting your boy channel. I appreciate y'all. Thumbs up to y'all. And like I say, if you have a channel, man, come check me out. I'm going to check you out. Believe that. You support me, I'm going to support you. Believe that. You know what I mean? And that's how it is. I don't treat people the way I want to be treated. I treat people the way I want my kids to be treated. You know what I mean? So this is what I'm doing right here. Showing love in my good kitchen. There's good love in my kitchen. You hear? Your boy's right here. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. And help your boy out. Hit this 2K. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? I'm trying to hit this 2K. Help your fam out. You know what I mean? Share my videos. All that good stuff. Because we all love to eat. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless all.